Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, miss.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Has Sanika attended our lectures? Is Sanika there? Very good. She's again missing. Sanika, are you there? Okay, I'll take up the new topic today. Objectives of I think we started with it. We started with the objectives of communication. Okay. Children, I hope you all are aware. SY exams are beginning today. Lot of children are in the defaulter. They are not being allowed to write their exams. I hope you all are aware. Might have taken some inputs and updates from your friends. Okay.
Um,
Yes, Shell.
can you send some sample paper in the group so we
Yeah,
will
yeah, I
come to
will
know what
send it. I
kind of
just give me some time, child, because I need to take the photocopy and send you. I'll just check if I already have it. If I don't have it, I'll have to take a pick and then send you. So just give me some time because you have to be prepared for both uh, objective type as well as your subjective type paper. So start studying, and I've uploaded quite a lot of this thing, what do you call, PPTs. Please go through the same. I'm just sharing the not sharing. Yeah, I'm screen sharing objectives of communication. We had started with that. Despite reminders yesterday in the class, despite reminder in the group, lot of children have not filled the form. Please fill the form, take it up as a priority. We have to submit it to the NMMC. Monday we have a vaccination drive in our campus. They need the data since college is going to commence. All those who are under 18, I told them to skip because they had messaged me personally. But there are other kids who have not filled it. Please take it up as a priority and fill it, children. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. If college reopens, you're above 18, you'll have to attend college. If the college starts. So before that, they want to complete the vaccination drive. So they want the data. That is why I had posted another link yesterday. The other link was for our college use. This link that I forwarded yesterday was for NMMC purpose. And very importantly, even your exam forms, most of the children have not verified. In lot of places, it is physical education.
And
It is, yes, Shell, who's that?
only vaccinated students are allowed to attend offline.
Yes, Shell.
Only vaccinated students are allowed to.
Yes. Not now. When the college reopens, we'll be keeping you posted. But still, y'all, if you all are above 18, get yourselves vaccinated ASAP. Lot of children are going to turn 18 this year itself, so please get yourselves vaccinated. Maybe 6 kids will be pending. Otherwise, remaining children, and most probably second term will be offline. Most probably. So before that, there's a lot of colleges you might have noticed they have already started with their offline classes as well. So that is why I'm telling you all, get yourselves vaccinated. Don't delay. If you are already 18, take your vaccine. Prevention is always better than cure. A lot of children have still not joined the class. Please post the absentees. Sambhavi, please post the absentees, child.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 1, roll number 3 and 4. 3, 4. Then roll number 11, roll number 14, roll number 16, roll number 18, roll number 20, 26, 28 to 36. Everybody's absent. 28 to 36. Do you want time? Okay, 29 joined just now. Please inform your friends if you all are in some other group. If they're checking it, you have their numbers. Please ask them to join ASAP so that they'll be free. 27 has joined now, Sambhavi. After 25, 26 is absent. 28 absent. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 absent. 39 absent. 44, 45 absent. 47 absent. 50, 51 absent. 53 absent. 58 absent. 60 absent. 66, 67 absent. 69 absent. 71 absent. And even Aarti is absent today. Sambhavi, please write that number full, okay? 319060. In the end, you write 319060. Aarti is absent.
Yes, ma'am. I'll post it.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Chal. Just share the. Sorry, one second. Just tell me if you're able to see the screen, children.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. One more thing I'll tell you once again, that this topic is not there per se, but you should know it because it is a part of your syllabus. But questions as such are not asked. Sometimes they do ask. Even the university paper, they had asked one or two odd questions. So anyway, you should be knowing what it is. We were discussing the objectives of communication. That is the reason that we communicate in the first place. That is, I told you to remember it with the help of the word power misc. Every letter of this word stands for one objective of communication. Secondly, there is no specific order for the objective of communication. You don't have to follow any specific order with regards to the objective of communication. Who's waiting in the lobby for what? I don't understand. Why are children joining as guests? Finally, Sanika is here. Sanika, why are you joining as a guest, my child? Please ensure that you have a new device ASAP. Sanika, are you listening? Sanika,
Ma'am, Sanika's roll number.
Sanika is 11, I think. Sanika, are you there? Are you listening to what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please do attend all the lectures. If you come under defaulters, you won't be allowed to write your exams. You can cross check with your
Hello.
seniors. Their exams are beginning today. Yes, Sanika.
Hello.
Who is speaking right now? Darshana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, child. Yes, child. What happened?
No, ma'am, because I get a call from the team app. So that's why I was asking. Hello.
Call means here I get to see, na, some of the children have not joined. I can send a call. I can ask you all to join. That is request to join. This thing is there, notification.
Okay, okay. It's okay.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
was because of network issue, I can't able to join. But now
Acha,
it
okay.
came, so I will join.
Okay, okay. And
Thank
Sanika,
you.
are you listening to? Yeah, welcome, child. Sanika, are you listening to me? Why have you joined as a guest? I would like to know. Please make arrangement for a device and join through your own mail ID and password. Secondly, even during exams, you're not supposed to log in through your through a guest login ID. You're supposed to log in through your own mail ID and password. So please ensure that you do the same. Is Aditya there? Rahul is again absent. Aditya, are you there?
Ma'am, Aditya is facing some network issue. He said that he will join.
Okay, okay.
He's trying to join, but he's not able to.
1 minute, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we were discussing the
Ma'am,
objectives. Yes, child.
ma'am, Yusuf Sheikh sent to me message. He not well.
Who sent a message, child?
Yusuf,
Yusuf. Okay. Why? What happened to him?
I
He's
don't
from
know, ma'am.
your junior college.
No, no.
You are from our junior college, na?
Ah,
Okay. All right. So we were discussing the objectives of communication in which you can just remember this word. Just like I told you, mnemonics are made to help you to remember certain things. But one thing, children, there is no specific order for this. You can, just like we did seven C's of communication, you have to remember seven C's of communication is very, very important because questions based on seven C's of communication are asked in the exam. But with regards to objectives, also it depends. Certain exams, this question had come, certain exams, it doesn't come. But anyway, just like seven C's of communication doesn't have a specific order, similarly, the objectives of communication do not have a specific order. When we speak about each letter of the word, P stands for persuasion. What is the meaning of persuasion? As we discussed yesterday, it is the ability to be able to convince people, to influence people. All those who have taken up marketing would know that this plays a very powerful and a very important role. Tomorrow, now see, any job that you take up today, there's a lot of pressure. Targets are given. Whether you take up any job, you think earlier it was available that you could sit for a 9 to 5 job. Today, there is no such system. You do not have a 9 to 5 job. You need to go to office. There is a time to go to office. There is no time to come back. That is what majority of the people will tell you. Okay, so that is the kind of stressful life that we are leading, and everybody is given a target to achieve. So when we speak about persuasion, it is nothing but being able to convince the people that what you are selling or what you are trying to say is the best. That means I had given you the example of Geo, how Mr. Rambani very wisely he introduced that system. Of course, he said that he got the idea from his daughter, started giving free data, got people hooked onto it. Now the situation is such that people feel they cannot survive without mobile data. It's impossible for them to survive, especially with regards to the technology that we are talking today, social media. Biggest example of our children like y'all. Even if your device is spoiled, you do go to your parents' device and use WhatsApp and Instagram and all these things. You access it, Facebook, because you feel they are more important for you than anything else. So this is the power of convincing, to be able to make